Hey guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra 2, Chapter 6.3 Notes, Day 2. Hopefully you've watched the first part of the video, which is technically Algebra 1 notes that we taught earlier in the year, but going through the same concept. If you need the answer key for this page, pause the video, copy down those notes, otherwise go back and watch the previous video. Because now we're going to look at some cube roots on the back. So, we've talked about how an exponent tells us how many of the bases we have. So this really means x plus 5 times x plus 5 times x plus 5. Okay, so to figure this out, we're going to have to FOIL or use the box method a couple different times. So first, I'm going to look at those two. Okay, so x plus 5 times x plus 5. All right, and I'm just going to FOIL these. So we get x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. And when we combine our like terms, we get x squared plus 10x plus 25. So that's our first answer right there. So x squared plus 10x plus 25. But now I need to multiply that by the extra x plus 5. Okay? And now when I multiply that one out, I'm going to do the box method just because it's a trinomial times a binomial. And I want to keep all of my terms together. Okay, so we got x squared plus 10x plus 25 and x plus 5 down here. So I know that these boxes right here, I'm going to be able to combine. So let's go through and start multiplying things out. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 10x gives me a positive 10x squared. And x times 25 is a positive 25x. Okay. The key thing is to watch the exponents and the signs. Okay, this one's going to be easy because everything's positive. Other ones won't be so well. All right, so 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 5 times 10x is 50x. And then 5 times 25 is 125. So now that we've got all that, we just combine our like terms. The x cubed comes out front. Add up the yellow boxes, we get 15x squared. Adding up the blue boxes, we get 75x plus 125. And that's our answer. Okay? Let's do another one together. This means that we have 2m minus 1 times 2m minus 1 times 2m minus 1. Because once again, it's to the third power. So I'm going to multiply, FOIL those two first. So I've got 2m minus 1 times 2m minus 1. Multiply the first. You get 4m squared minus 2m minus 2m plus 1. Combining our like terms in the middle. Now those don't cancel out, guys. 4m squared minus 4m plus 1. So that's our first answer again. So 4m squared minus 4m plus 1. And then we're going to multiply that by the 2m minus 1. So those two guys make that. That comes down. And then just like before, I'm going to do the box method. Oh, let's get the right one. I know that these guys are going to be able to combine. And now let's figure out what they are. So we got 4m squared minus 4m plus 1. This is one where you will have to be careful about your signs. Okay? 2 times 4 is 8. M squared times m is m cubed. 2m times negative 4 is negative 8m squared. 2m times 1 is positive 2m. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. And the m squared comes along. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4m. And negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. Okay, let's go ahead and combine your like terms and write down your final answer. 8m cubed minus 12m squared plus 6m minus 1. All right, number 11, you are all on your own. Just know that it's 3n plus 4 times 3n plus 4 times 3n plus 4. Go ahead and pause the video, and good luck. Okay, guys, and there's all the work for the answer. Now, if you have any questions and you got something different, please come see Miss Carranza or myself, because we would love to help you out. Otherwise, that's it for Algebra 2, Chapter 6.3 Notes, Day 2. Thanks for watching.